Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 3386, button with longest push time. It was the first question in the weekly contest. Let's read out the problem. You are given 2D array events which represent a subsequence of events where a child pushes a series of buttons on the keyboard. Each event contains index and time indicating the button of index and the time at which it time. The array is sorted in the increasing order of time. Okay. The time taken to press a button is the difference in the time between consecutive button press. The time for the first button is simply the time at which it was pressed. Return the index of the button that took the longest time to push. If multiple buttons have the same index time, return the button with the smallest index. Let's read one example. We are given an event this and button with index 1 is pressed at 2. Okay, so it is 2 minus 0, it will be 2. Button with index 2 is pressed at time 5, so it took 5 minus 2 equals to 3 unit of time. So the consecutive difference of time will be the time taken by this button to be pressed. Button index 3 is pressed at time 9, so it took 9 minus 5 units of time. Button with index 1 is pressed again at time 15, so it took 15 minus 9 equals to 6 unit of time. Okay, so we can solve this question using two pointers approach. It is two pointers approach, but not basically two pointer. So what we will do, we will take a variable previous, which will be should be telling time at which the previous button is pressed. Okay, and one variable with answer, and we will simply run the loop for auto I in events. Okay, and I want current time at which it was pressed. So I will so I will take I of 1. Okay, and one more variable we will take time, take max time taken. Currently it is 0, so if current minus previous is greater than max time, then we will assign answer equals to I box of 0 and I box of 0 and max time current minus previous. Okay, and we will assign previous equals to current. Okay, and we will simply return answer. Okay, Oh, one more thing. Return the button with the smallest index if it is equal. If it is equal, it is equal, then I need min of min of answer, comma I box of 0, and I need to change this then int max. Now let's check the problem. Okay, previous. Okay, now let's submit. Okay, we are getting wrong answer. For 5 it is 4, previous is wait a second. Okay, okay. Actually, we it should be 0 and this condition should be corrected. We can do one more thing here. Else if this equals to this, okay, then we will simply do answer equals to min box of answer, comma I box of 0. Now let's check. Sorry. Okay, now let's analyze the time complexity. Time complexity is O of n, and space complexity is O of 1. As we are not doing anything, that's all everyone. Thank you.